I'm at the Tate Modern, where I wanted to go and look at stuff like Louise Bourgeois as well as Rothko rooms, and to find out that the Louise Bourgeois, my mum has already gone. I was sad about that. However, I did have a lovely chat with the person in the gallery, and they advised me of a lovely artist called Emily Kamkingawari, who will be next week's video. And in the meantime, I want to show you something I stumbled across by accident going into the performance and participant rooms. This is a free part of the gallery to explore and something different. This artist, Petrit Halilaj, has a brilliant way of doing performance and participant. Now, I will warn you, there is some photosensitivity going on here with strobing of light bulbs, so if you are, be careful of watching this video. I just want to advise. At the same time, if you are still with me, thank you so much for staying with me. And I want to talk about just these creatures. At first, when you walk in the room, it just looks like fabric and light bulbs, and then if you stand back from a distance, it works better from standing back rather than close up. You can then see these are moths. You can see this is a dead moth that's been obviously burnt out by looking at the bulb, which is strobing just above it. The strobes work randomly, and the sound they make I really enjoy with it as well. This is a brilliant play on scale. It's also, like a lot of good artwork, you have to actually take time to look, pause, think what is the artist saying. For me, this gives a sense personally of going back, exploring childhood fears, the love of, personally, my love of fabric and textiles and the destruction that moths make. Looking at the scale of that human walking by, they become part of the artwork against a moth. I really loved the lights, the strobing, the scale, the play this gave me, and this was a beautiful exhibition to explore, and I'm really glad I stumbled across it and hope you like this too. Stay tuned for next week, where, as I said, we'll be back in the Tate Modern looking at one of the feature artists there, and I hope you enjoyed this week, and give me comments and likes if you've seen it or if you've got any views and have viewed it.